Hey everybody, April here. Welcome back for another video. It's been a long time, but the DIYs are back in full effect. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how me and my best friend Chelsea made her DIY velvet headboard. Now, first things first, we went to our local hardware store and we got some wood cut for our headboard and some wood cut for the supporting pieces that goes on the back of the headboard. So that's what we're doing here. And you can make your headboard as wide or as tall as you like. So first things first, we're going to lay out our headboard and we're going to mark our 2-inch border. Okay, then we're going to lay out our foam, and you can get foam from anywhere, from Walmart, a craft store. I picked mine up from Joann Fabrics, and we're going to cut off the excess foam with an electrical knife. I did mention in a few DIY videos that you can use a pair of scissors to cut off your foam, but an electrical knife is just much easier, so I would highly recommend that. Alright, so next we're going to take some spray adhesive and spray the board. Make sure you get a nice even coat and apply the foam to your board. I also recommend that if you're not careful or if you're like a clumsy person, you might want to spray the adhesive outside so you don't get it on your carpet. But I'm pretty careful when it comes to things like that, so I trust myself. Alright, so now we're going to carefully lay down our foam and put pressure on it so that it can stick to the board. Spray some more adhesive and lay down our second piece of foam. Alright, so now we're going to lay down our batting. You can also pick this up from Walmart, Joann Fabrics, places like that. And then we're going to lay down our board face down, and now we're going to staple the batting to the back of the board. And you want to staple the batting all around the board. Once you're done, it should look like this. Now we're going to lay it face up and staple the batting against the foam to create the border. And that's what it looks like. You can see it starting to form. Alright, so now we're going to take our fabric and we're going to lay that flat out on the floor. Lay our board face down. And we're going to do the same thing, staple the fabric to the back of the headboard. And you want to pull the fabric as tight and taut as you can so that you don't have any wrinkles when you flip your board over. I love that fabric. Alright, so now we're going to take our nail head trim and we're going to nail the trim in place to create our border. Now with the nail head trim, it's very easy to use. You do have to be careful though and make sure that you are applying it in a nice straight line, because if you don't, it will be so obvious. But all you do is apply a nail to each 5th hole, I believe. So yeah, it's very easy. You just have to be careful and make sure that you are applying it in a straight line. And that's it. You are more than welcome to add buttons to the middle of your headboard if you like to give it a more feminine look. But yeah, we chose not to. So here Tony is applying, I believe this is 2x4. I'll have to double check. It'll be in the description box. But he's applying or securing wood to the back of the headboard to give it some support and so that he can attach the headboard to their existing bed rails. Just like what he's doing here. And that is pretty much it. These are the results of the DIY velvet headboard. I do have another DIY bed video that I'll post in the description box so you guys can get some more ideas when it comes to building your bed or just making a headboard. And that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with anyone that may find it helpful, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.